Hello, good
Hello.
evening.
Good
Hi.
evening.
Welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, very clear, no problem.
That's great. This is EJ, right?
Yes, AG.
AG. Nice to meet you
Yes,
today,
uh,
AG.
to Eric,
Yeah.
right?
Yes. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm good as usual.
Well, good to
Thank you
hear
very
that.
much. How
Yes.
about you?
Yeah, pretty good as well. Thanks for asking. All right. So I can see here you chose topic talk 20, blood type and personality. Is that right?
Yes, that's
Okay.
right.
All right. So let's start with the lesson. So now let's start with the first
Okay,
section, warm up. Okay. So
okay,
I'm going to read the instructions here. Let's name all the things that you can see in this picture for 1 minute. Are you ready?
okay. I'm ready.
All
So
right,
let's
let's
start.
start. hmm
Okay, I think this picture describes a man is donating his blood for the
Okay.
patients who suffer from disease or injuries.
Yes.
Yes. And another picture shows that there are four blood types,
Blood
including
type.
A,
Yes.
B, O, and
That's right. That's right.
yeah. Yeah, that's all
Okay.
for
Thank you
now.
so much. Very good. All right. So these are blood types. Yes. So probably he is about to donate his blood to some patients. Wow.
Mhm.
Okay, that's good. Now let's move on to the next section, which is words and phrases. Okay, so I'll read the instructions. Study each of the words or phrases listed below and try to use them in a sentence. Okay. So
Okay.
we will make sentences after we checked all the words and phrases. So first, let's read the
Mhm.
words and phrases. Please repeat after me once, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's start with the first word. Personality trait.
Personality traits.
Yes. And then we have the word determine.
Determine.
All right, we have categorize.
Categorize.
Exceedingly.
Exceedingly.
Sensitive.
Sensitive.
Generous.
Generous.
All right, the opposite is selfish and greedy. Okay.
Okay, selfish, greedy.
All
Okay.
right, and we have flexible or stubborn.
Flexible. Flexible and stubborn.
That's right. We have also empathetic towards someone.
Empathetic towards someone.
Patient.
Patient.
Okay, and we have adapt easily to change.
Adapt easily to change.
All right, so this is the last one. Okay, so this time you will make sentences of all these
Okay.
words and phrases. Are you ready? All right,
Okay,
so
I'm
let's
ready.
start with personality traits. Okay.
All right. Personality traits.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, I can say personality traits could be determined by blood type.
Oh, could be. I didn't hear the next word. Did you say determine?
Determined.
Determine, yes.
Determined.
By the blood type. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Blood type. All right. Next is, oh, actually,
Determined
determine
type
is already
already.
here.
Yeah.
So you already made two sentences. Very good. Okay,
All
so
right.
let's move to categorize.
Categorize. Okay.
Hmm,
Mm, yeah. Mm, well, blood type can be categorized into 4 types.
Oh, yes. Blood type can be categorized. That's true. So this it will be past tense, right? Categorized because we use be, can be. Categorized
Mhm.
into, did you say 4 types?
Four types. Yeah.
4 types. Okay. Blood type can be categorized into 4 types, like A,
Yeah.
right? B, A, B. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Next is exceedingly.
Exceedingly. Okay.
Exceedingly. Mm-hmm.
Mm, okay. Hmm. Uh, it is exceedingly difficult
Mm-hmm.
to figure out what blood type someone has.
Oh, difficult to cat categorize?
No,
Figure out.
difficult to figure out
Figure out. Yes, figure out. It is exceedingly
what
difficult to figure out what
what blood type
blood
someone
type.
has.
Wow. Someone has. Very good. Wow, it's a nice sentence. It is exceedingly difficult to figure out what blood type someone has. Wow, that's great. Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, and let's have the word sensitive. Mm-hmm.
Sensitive. Okay.
Yes.
Mm, Well, mm, blood type A people are said to be blood type A people are said to be sensitive.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah, I think
Uh,
so. Here in Japan, people say that type A people are somewhat sensitive.
Really? I didn't know this. Really. Good thing is I'm not type A. I'm type O. So I'm not
You are
sensitive.
O, type O.
How about type
I
O?
see.
What can you say about type
Yeah,
O?
I can say, yeah, type O is very friendly to everyone.
Oh, wow, that's
So,
great. I like that.
yeah, I think, yeah, mm, type O is my favorite
Oh,
blood
really?
type.
It's a
Type O,
universal donor, right? Universal
yeah,
donor, yes. You can donate to anybody,
mm,
whatever type it is. That's good.
mm,
Okay, so next is generous.
generous.
Yeah,
Okay. Mm,
generous. The opposite of greedy and selfish.
se- selfish. Okay.
Mm,
Mm, yeah, I should be generous to donate my blood for some
yes,
patients.
that's right. Hmm. Have you ever donated yeah, blood to patients?
Uh, yes, yes. Sometimes I go to donate my blood.
That is good. That is
Mm,
very nice. It's really, I mean, it's big things, big deal to these people, you know. It can save lives, right? Yeah, it's
yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
important to donate blood. Wow, it's
Right.
amazing. All right.
I I
Go ahead, please.
I
Sorry.
think I cannot donate much money, but
Mm,
I can donate my blood
that's
easily.
true. That's true. And
It
it
doesn't
is,
take cost, so that's easy.
yeah, but it's the people who will receive it will benefit a lot for that.
Yeah,
You know,
exactly, exactly.
yes, very, very important.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's have the word flexible.
Okay, flexible.
Flexible, yes.
Hmm. Well, mm, well, I can say blood type B people are said to be flexible.
Oh, really?
Mm, no, no, I said opposite. I, I
Not
should
flexible.
say not flexible
Not flexible.
because because I myself blood type B.
Mm,
I am not so flexible.
not
I
flexible.
I I am kind of stubborn.
All
So
right. Wow, very honest.
yes,
That's
yeah,
nice.
I yeah, actually my wife say to me, you are kind of stubborn, not flexible.
Not flexible. Oh, really? Okay. Wow. So it's so amazing, right? The blood type has something to do with our personality. Wow, good job. I like all your sentences here. Wow, makes sense.
Mm, thank you very
Yeah, very nice, very nice. Okay, it's not just an ordinary sentence, but it really makes sense. I mean, it has a lot of
much.
information. It will give you
Mhm.
great ideas. That's great. Good job for that. Okay, not
Thank you.
only grammatically correct, but also with great ideas.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
yes, you're welcome. Now, this time, let's move to role play number three. Okay, so here, imagine that you are in the following situation and perform a role play activity with your teacher, with me, using the new words and phrases. So you're gonna be
Mhm.
using again words and phrases. So first,
Mhm.
teacher will be A, I'll be A, and you will be B. And then if we still have time, we will switch roles. Okay? We
Mhm.
still have
Okay.
time.
Okay.
Now, please read aloud situation A and B in English.
Okay. A thinks we can categorize the different personalities by blood types.
Mm,
And on the other hand, B
mhm.
does not agree with A. Please think about the reasons yourself on your own. Okay, all
Oh,
right.
you'll be thinking your own reason. That's
Okay,
challenging. All right, so
all
let's
right.
start. Okay. Oh, this is a very challenging role play. Okay. Hmm. Oh, wow. Okay. Hey, AG, how are you? I
Yeah,
got.
good. Thank you. How about?
Oh, I'm pretty good as well. I got so interested with talking about blood types because I
Mhm.
realized that many people are now donating blood to patients because they need it so much. And wow, I'm so amazed that we can categorize, different personalities by blood types. Do you believe in that, AJ?
Mm,
Hey, isn't it?
honestly,
Isn't it?
no. I'm
Oh,
afraid I cannot agree with your opinion
why?
because,
Why?
well, basically, I think blood type cannot determine personality traits because I believe that the environment the people grown up can
Mm-hmm.
determine the character or personality traits.
Mm-hmm.
So I can say, in other words, my parents, my friends can
Mm-hmm.
influence me a lot, influence to me to make my personality traits.
Uh-huh.
What do you see about that?
Um, you know, but what can you say about those people with blood type A who are, sensitive? Most of them are sensitive people, so it really shows that it has something to do with the blood type, right?
Uh,
Yeah.
yeah.
And the stubborn people with blood type B, just like you. Isn't it? You agree,
Wow.
right? You agree, right? You are blood type B, right? Oh,
Yes.
see? And then I heard
Yeah.
that your wife told you that you are stubborn.
Yeah, I understand what you said, and I have to say I agree with you partially.
That's great. That's great.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
I think I can say, yeah, blood type comes
Mm.
from gene or DNA.
Yeah,
So
just like that. Yes.
I believe that DNA can determine our personality traits
Mm,
partially.
partially.
So that's why I agree with
So
your
you
opinion.
just believe partially. I see, I see.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I respect your opinion. Yeah,
me too.
yeah. Maybe I can agree with 70%.
Mm, mhm.
But not 100%. I can't agree as well. 100%,
Yeah.
maybe 70%. I'm okay with that.
Mhm.
Okay. Yes, very good. Let's try to switch the role.